of his imprisonment, he shall be allowed a deduction 30 days for each month of good behavior during detention. At any time during the period imprisonment, he shall be allowed another deduction of 15 days in addition to number 1 to 4 hereof for each month of study, teaching, or mentoring service time rendered, special time allowance for loyalty. A deduction of the 15th of the period of his sentence shall be granted to any prisoner who, having evaded his preventive imprisonment of the service or his sentence under the circumstances mentioned in Article 158 of his code, give himself up to the authorities within 48 hours following the issuance of a proclamation announcing the passing away of the calamity or catastrophe referred to in said article. A deduction of 2/5 of the period of his sentence shall be granted in case said prisoner choose to stay in the place of his confinement, notwithstanding the existence of the calamity or catastrophe enumerated in Article 158 of this code. Benefits of credit for preventive imprisonment. CPI, who has the duty inform detains of the credit for preventive imprisonment. Chief of the BJMP is jail warden or director of the Bucor, who are disqualified. An accused who is a recidivist as defined under Article 14. Article 14, 9, Chapter 3, Book I of the Revised Penal Code. An accused who has been convicted previously twice or more times of any crime, and an accused who, upon being summoned for the execution of his sentence, has failed for surrender voluntary before a court of law, detains